In my last video, I mentioned that I would be showing you how I actually find winning products. This is the method I use to this day. However, before we get started, let me show you some results I have got from this store. As you can see, I've done a little over $55,000 for the last 30 days. So I'm going to refresh the page so you know this is all real and legit, as the numbers will stay the same. Let me introduce myself real quick. My name is Carmen. I live in the UK. I'm 24 years old. I started dropshipping around 3 years ago. The main reason starting this YouTube channel is to show you things that I have learned for the past 3 years and share my journey. Today I'm going to show you how I find products to sell on Instagram, beginner methods, and also the Instagram method I use to find products, no paid tools. I will explain why Instagram is one of the best places to find products right now, and also how to make Instagram accounts, as well as the criteria to find winning products. Alright, now this is the part is really important. It's where a lot of people get confused. Before you start looking for products, you need to create brand new Instagram account. This is what people call a burner account. Now, a burner account doesn't mean anything sketchy or complicated. All it means is an account with a fresh algorithm. Your main Instagram account already knows everything about you, what you like, who you follow, what you watch. That's a problem when you are trying to find products, because Instagram will just keep showing you content you personally enjoy. So instead, we want a clean, fresh Instagram account so we can train it from scratch. Once you create the account, don't follow your friends, don't follow celebrities, and don't post anything. What you want to do instead is train your algorithm by searching for the following: dropshipping brands, one product stores, e-commerce page, and also ad pages. Every time you see a product, make sure like and save the video, and also comment as much as you can on products you see. Instagram pays attention to everything you do, so when you like and comment, Instagram thinks that this person are interested in these type of products, so it will show you more products and the products that are trending right now. Within 1 or 2 days, your entire feed will be full of products, ads, and winning products that are trending right now. You don't need no paid tools, you don't need no experience. Instagram already doing the hard research for you. Now that your feed is trained, the next step is knowing what products are actually worth testing, because not everything you see is a winner. Let me show you what exactly you need to look for. These are the product criteria we're going to be looking for. First one is a product that is problem solving or hits a pain point. Second, a product that is visually satisfying. The third one is easy to explain in a 3 second. The fourth one, the product is not available in a local store, meaning that they can't buy in a local store, they have to buy it from an online store. The fifth one and last, under $50 retail price. That is very important for you to remember those criteria, because these are the things you're going to be looking for when looking on Instagram trying to find winning products. This is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, make sure you leave a comment below or DM me on Instagram and I will reply you there.